To program your universal remote with your Technika TV, you first need to understand what Technika is. Technika is a retail brand owned by Tesco, which means support and available codes can vary depending on your specific model. There are three main places to find the correct code for your Technika TV. First, check the manual that came with your universal remote for a list of Technika TV codes. Second, search online databases using the term Technika TV Universal Remote Codes. Third, try Blaupunkt codes, as some users have found these work with Technika TVs. Once you have a potential code, follow these programming steps. First, turn on your Technika TV manually using the power button on the TV itself. Next, on your universal remote, press and hold the Setup or Magic button until the indicator light flashes. This puts the remote into programming mode. Now enter the code you found using the number buttons on the remote. The indicator light should turn off or flash to confirm the code has been entered successfully. Finally, test the remote by pressing the power button or changing the channel. If it works, you're all set. If not, simply try another code from your list and repeat the process. When direct code entry doesn't work, most universal remotes have an auto search function that can automatically find the correct code for your Technika TV. The auto search process involves 4 simple steps. First, point your remote directly at the Technika TV and press the Setup or Magic button until the indicator light flashes. Step 2, press the Channel Up button repeatedly. The remote will automatically cycle through different codes, testing each one with your TV. Step 3, when your TV responds by turning on, off, or changing channels, immediately press the Setup or Magic button again to lock in the working code. Now let's cover essential troubleshooting tips if you're still having difficulties. The most common issues have simple solutions. First, ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the TV. Remove any obstacles that might block the infrared signal. Second, make sure your remote has fresh batteries. Weak batteries are a common cause of programming failures and poor remote performance. If you have a Sky Remote version 9F or later, you can program it to control basic Technika TV functions. This is a convenient alternative for Sky customers. Finally, if all troubleshooting steps fail, consult your Universal Remote's manual or contact the manufacturer's support team for additional assistance and device-specific guidance.